50 times, seriously. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, okay? So I want to remind you, do you still remember how to calculate the shortest distance? So let's just review it, okay? Let's just restart it, okay? So for instance, okay, I have a point here, okay, everybody? So just to wipe everything before, okay? Let's start it from here. So if I have a point here, okay? So this one is 0, 3, correct, Illy? Okay, and I also have a point like here. I just say it is 4, 2. Can we say it? So it's A and it's B, okay? So what is the distance if I want to have a P here on the axis and just to connect it with B and A? So which makes AB and AC and BC is the shortest term. So how do we do it? Okay, so there are two ways of doing that. So you can find the 4, 2, which is A, to the asymmetry of X, which get it -2 and 4, which is AEPN. So it's 4 and -2, correct? Then you connected these two dots, and you find out this point. Where's my pen? You find out this point on here. So that is a point which located by C. Okay, so everybody, that is the thing, okay? So before we learn is distance is calculated what? To make AC equals AB, okay? It's not the shortest distance. It's just making AC equals AB. So we have learned it's not useless, okay? Everything is still the same. So if I said, okay, Elaine, I want you to find out a C which is located on X to make AC equals AB. Sorry, AC equals BC, what I'm doing. AC equals BC. So that is the thing we learned before. Okay, I'm going to remind you later for that. But today we're going to focus on if I give you a point, like 2 points here, and then you want to find out the shortest distance, which is on the axis, and make it C point, and AC plus BC is the minimum. So we have to using this way. So everybody, how to find out this one? Okay, so copy it down, okay? So how to find out this point C? So we need to find out the formula, not formula, the linear equation.
No.
Of A, comma B. Okay, so everybody, that's a step 1. So in order to find out the linear equation of A, comma B, we have learned that because we know the A paired order and B paired order. We can immediately find out what is that, right? Chapter, do you still remember what is the linear equations formula? Is it y equals mx plus b? Correct? Okay, so that is the basic formula of linear equation. So I want everybody to write this down. Okay, if you forgot, then you can do this. You can just write it down, okay? So now we just want to find out what is M, what is B. So B is very easy. When B is what? When X equals 0, Y equals B. Correct, Oliver? You can see Y equals 0 times M plus B. So anything times 0 equals 0. So Y equals 0 plus B, which is Y equals B, correct? So that means this line must go through 0, B. So let me see, this line goes through what? 0, 3. So that's why B equals 3. Correct? So everybody, we have already half fixed at y equals mx plus 3. Okay, so how to calculate this m? This m equals what? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is y2? This is y2. This is x2. This is x1. This is y1. So y2 minus y1 equals 3 minus negative 2 over 0 minus 4. So the answer is 5 over negative 4. So we have the equation y equals negative 5 over 4 plus 3. Sorry, I missed an x. Okay, so we only know the equation. This line represents y equals negative 5 over 4x plus 3. But how do we find out this point? So Elaine, I want to ask you a question. So for this one, I don't know exactly what is the C represent for, but I know there's a something must be 0, correct?
Yeah.
Because this point is located on axis, so y must be 0, right? It must be something 0, correct? Okay, so we already know y equals 0. So this equation, we can write it as 0 equals negative 5 over 4x plus 3. Correct? So that means 5 over 4x equals 3. So x equals what? 12 over 5. So this is a point. Okay, I want you to take some notes. Don't worry about it. We're going to do more practice for that. Okay, we're going to do more practice for that. But I want you to take some notes right now. Everybody, are you taking notes right now?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's just declare. Okay, after you're taking notes, you let me know, okay? Okay, finished? Please let me know. Okay, so everybody, when you take over, like, are you done taking notes?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this. We just, I just declare everything, and we just do another one, okay? So let's just practice one thing first, okay? So I would like